Hi, welcome to the first video in this tutorial series on user management in iBook. In this series, we will explore how to add users, edit users, retire users, edit user security, and assign user permissions. In this video, we will look at how to add a new user. From the main menu, select User Management, then Users. If you have not already added any users, then you will just see your own entry as the only user. Click the Add New button. This brings up the new user form. Enter the user's details. You must enter an email and a phone number. Click Save to finish. The user is created and an invitation email is sent to the user's email address inviting them to log in. Next, we will take a look at the initial login from the perspective of the new user. Your new user will get an email with a temporary password. Advise them to use these credentials to log in. There may be a full stop at the end of the temporary password. This is not part of the password and should not be included. At first login, they will be asked to set a new password. Once the new user has logged in, they will be taken to the home page. Initially, they will have no permissions and will have very limited access. They will be able to view your practice homepage, but will not be able to make any edits. They will not be able to view appointments or clinics. From the main menu, advise them to select My Profile, then Profile. This is the user profile homepage. This page is common to all users. It has 3 tabs: Personal Details, Permissions, and Security. The Personal Details tab is displayed by default. This is where you can edit your personal details, email address, phone number, and password. You can optionally add a title, a professional registration number, and your qualifications. Next, the Permissions tab. This displays a list of all the permissions that are assigned to this user. It is for information only. A user, including the business owner or super user, cannot change user permissions from this page. The final tab is the Security tab. This allows the user to verify their email address, phone number, and set up or disable 2-factor authentication. It is essential that all users, including the business owner, verify at a minimum one of either their email address or phone number. In doing so, you enable self-resetting of your password in case you forget it. Without either a verified email address or phone number, password reset is disabled. To verify your email or password, click on the verification button. A verification code will be sent by email or text message. Fill this code into the verification form and click Verify.